This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 22 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. Let's have a look. We're going to be doing the wrist guard in this issue, but first we'll look at the Magus, the duel with the Magus. Nice artwork and explosions and stuff. I'm assuming Thanos probably wins said duel, but looks like the Magus probably continues on into Fantastic Four, Strange, Warlock and Wolverine. Magazines. Right, the wrist guard, just one part to put in place. It goes across the bottom of the front of the hand that we've been building and makes it look a bit like that. Only a little bit on extra, but worth doing, obviously. Infinity, the sister of Eternity. It's our character that we're looking at this week. I don't know. I can't remember who that is. The one with the bodies inside them. That might be Eternity. Angel Medina. Sculptor, apparently. Probably not a real sculptor. Maybe sculpting with art and stuff, but does big muscly things. So that is that. Let's get on with the build. Right, I had a problem with my audio when I was building this, so I've already built it. It's this bit that came in this issue, and it's just attached onto there with 5 screws. I'm not going to take it back apart again, because these screws take a long time to tighten up, 5 screws, because they're big chunky screws that tighten up. But it's got this cut out here for these parts, and basically just fits in place with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to hold that in place, and makes it just that little bit longer and gives you that finish to the edge there, matching what we've got on the thumb over there. So that is that. That's the build, nice and easy. I shall show you the next part of the build. Honestly, I'll do that live for you, but yeah, slight problem with the audio on this one, so apologies for that. You haven't really missed much though, so that bit's the only bit that's been added. Thanks for watching, stay safe, I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.